Hello, all my shiny, happy friends out there. Welcome back. Well, it's Easter weekend, and I thought it'd be appropriate to dedicate a page in my sketchbook for the holiday. How many of you remember that old Cadbury commercial of the Easter bunny that sounded like a chicken? As a kid, I absolutely loved that commercial. My favorite part was when the lion would put on the ears and he would try to bark like a chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Well, that's sort of the inspiration for today's drawing. I envisioned a T-Rex in bunny ears, hatching from the Easter egg and clucking like a hen. Personally, I love the imagery, but then again, now more I think about it, it might be a little on the nose because I think, and correct me if I'm wrong, the T-Rex is related somehow to the modern day chicken. Oh well, either way, I guess it doesn't really matter. What did matter when I was a kid was getting so excited for this time of year to find all those eggs and baskets full of candy. And I can tell you that my kids, they are no different. As I'm editing this video, my kids are packing up for their big trip to great grandma's house for the big Easter trip that we take every year as a family. Now I know that every family has got their traditions. Ours is to wake up on Easter, have a big breakfast with mandatory blueberry muffins, followed by church, and finally the big Easter hunt at great grandma's house. Once that's over, we will drive out to the great-great-grandparents' farm to meet up with all the extended family and have a day full of games, good conversation, and you guessed it, another Easter egg hunt. I hope that your Easter is just as exciting. I would love to hear about your traditions, and I hope that you'll consider joining my family here on YouTube and become a subscriber. Happy Easter, everybody.